Hello, model fans. So this model came in today, and it's time to look at the Lamborghini Estoque from Kyosho. I guess it's from their mini collection for Lamborghinis, number 4. These are the colorways. Ideally, I would have liked this metallic gray, but there aren't too many of these on eBay that I'm willing to pay for. Let's put it that way. Okay, so let's see, typical blister pack from Kyosho. I'm gonna unscrew this base here. You might ask, why this background? Well, this background is because this car was revealed at the 2008 Paris Motor Show. It's the first front-engined vehicle from Lamborghini to be introduced since the LM002, which is this crazy Rambo-looking vehicle here. It is just a concept car, though. There was rumors of it going into production, but it never really happened. It's supposed to be like a $200,000 car, four-door sedan, of course. You can see the four doors, and it had the same engine shared with from the Gallardo. So, and I believe it was supposed to be all-wheel drive as well. Okay, so let's take a look at the casting. Now, here's the problem with the red paints from Kyosho, at least. They tend to fill in the body panel gaps a lot because they're trying to hide the metal. So that does seem to be the case here a little bit. At least right there, you know, it seems like it's really muted. I don't know, I'm looking at this paint here. Yeah, it's laid in really thick back there. Alright, well, whatever, let's start from each side here again. So we'll start from this side here. Very long and low car. The wheels are not going to spin because they're rubbing against the fenders. So that's not happening, but I don't care really. I don't play with my cars, so I just want them to look nice. Unfortunately, these black wheels are kind of hard to see the details, but seems to be alright as far as the actual sculpting of the mold for those wheels. But as usual, Kyosho doesn't have any disc brake systems. It's just a black void of air back behind those spokes. Oh well. Okay, so here on the side, it looks like there's some printing here. I'm not sure. Maybe that's some chrome or something on the concept car. Got your door handles molded in, alright. This one's nice, but see, this one seems a little more muted from the paint. Mirror, there's no paint here. Okay. There's some black paint here for the window molding, I guess. That's alright. Going to the front. It definitely looks like a Lamborghini. I'm just not sure if it's an appealing Lamborghini. What do you guys think about the styling of this car? Please leave a comment. It does have some really thin plastic inserts here for these lights, and then you do have the Lambo crest there. There's a tiny bit of texture here in the grills. Yeah, okay. And then these little splitter lips here, I think, are part of the bottom plastic. And then I guess while we're here, we'll just take a look here. Pretty plain bottom, which makes sense. I mean, it's a concept car, so maybe the concept car had no bottom at all. Okay. Looks like there's some staggered tires, yeah, thicker in the back. Got treads here, different treads than other Kyoshos. Going to the back here, yeah, we got some black paint here, a little bit of texture again. And what is going on here? Oh boy. So these tail lamps are painted. That is very non-standard for Kyosho. Kyosho usually has plastic inserts. So this is a bit of a cop-out. I mean, look at the headlights. They're pretty thin and they're plastic, so it can be done. Why would they skip? Why wouldn't they have some clear plastic back here? It's not like the graphic is that overwhelmingly awesome. I would have much rather had a plastic taillight inserted into the back of this. So that's really lazy, Kyosho. Very lazy. Okay. Well, up to the top here. I gotta say though, the roof is nice and smooth. This is really nice smooth paint. I mean, the reflection is good. It's no orange peel or anything like that. Yeah. So typical Kyosho, there's molded in details, but since it's all black, you really can't see too much of it. And then these really shallow windows, yeah, you can't see much. I'm noticing a trend in these lesser models. The windows aren't really clear. You know, look at the distortion and the warping of the plastic here. When you get these molded windows, they're just not very clear at all. So, but I'm not sure what the original price was on these this particular model. Oh, so now we got some contaminants in the paint. Look at this. This is that's not good. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. So it's kind of hit or miss. I'm not sure what to think about this model. There's definitely a lot of quality control problems, and the taillight's painted on. I mean, you might as well just call yourself Majorette, right? But Majorettes are much less expensive than Kyoshos, to my understanding. There's also some paint, or no, I'm guessing this is like glue residue. It's like white. I'm not sure if the camera's gonna see it, but it looks like someone crazy glued this back in or something. I don't know if this was a new model or someone's display model, because it didn't have the original box. It just came in the blister and had that extra card, so maybe this was glued back in by the previous owner. But the other stuff, I mean, those taillights, that really bothers me. And what's all this white stuff here? Maybe it's car wax. I don't know if I can scratch that off. Possibly that's white car wax, so it does make me think this is a used model that was actually displayed by someone else in the past. Okay, well, I'll let that spin around. I'm going to also pull out this old model, which I have in an older view back from December 2020, I think December 5th. And this is the kind of like the grandfather to this car. This is the Espara. It's a 2+2 seater as well, 4 seats, but it's only a 2-door instead of the 4-door of this newer one. But it's just as long and low looking, I think. So I thought it would be nice to just compare the two a little bit and see if there's any similarities or any sort of styling cues that may have carried over. But what do you guys think? I actually don't see much similarity at all, actually, other than the general proportions of being long and low. That's all I'm really seeing. So I guess that's that. Okay, well, quick video, well, quicker than usual. So take care.